The Maldives offers so much more than sand, sun, and sea, as the islands are blessed with a rich culture and heritage. A holiday in the Maldives is a chance to gain an insight into this unique country, by exploring island villages, sourcing local handicrafts, visiting heritage sites and the National Museum, tasting local cuisine, and watching cultural performances. With a total area approximately the size of Portugal but a land area comprising islands and sandbanks about the size of Singapore, Icelanders were isolated from each other by the ocean that forms over 99% of the country. Their self-sufficiency is reflected in the implements and clothes they fashioned for themselves, which have become today's handicrafts, and in agriculture. Some islands are very fertile, lush with mangroves and with interior ponds. Every island supports vegetation of some kind, with coconuts somehow managing to thrive in a small, sparse land area. Careful nurturing on islands devoted to agriculture has fostered the growing of papaya, peppers, eggplants, melons, limes, breadfruit and bananas. The Maldivian capital is definitely the best place to get to know locals and see what makes them tick. The brightly painted houses, crowded markets, and convivial tea shops where you can chat to regulars and share plates of delicious short eats are just some of the highlights of this unusual capital city, and they perfectly complement the resort experience. Don't miss the National Museum, the best overview of Maldives history anywhere in the country, or the Old Friday Mosque, complete with its carved coral tombstones. Also known as Razdhammadavaru, Hammerhead Point is a demanding dive on an outer reef where hammerhead sharks, mantis, and other large pelagics are frequent visitors. Outside this reef the depth drops rapidly to over 200 m and the water is exceptionally clear. Hammerhead dives usually start before dawn, descending by around 6 a.m. to have the best chance of sightings. One of the most revered places on Earth, brimming with beauty, the oldest inhabitable Maldives island has both withstood the test of time and matured into a land of fertile abundance. Lush jungles, white sand beaches and the alluring ambience of aloha enchant each moment. Offering exceptional accommodations, adventures, cuisine, and culture, vacationing on Maldives is a dream come true.